viewers. If you are still confused that whether your partition style or hard drive style is in MBR format or in GPT format, and you are still in confusing how to find this one, how to check your partition or hard drive style for MBR or for GPT style. So in this video I'll tell you how to check this one. First of all, right click on this PC and click on manage. Wait for a while. Window will be opened. Now in the left panel, click this management. Now you will see here all hard drives or storage devices. So this is my disk 0 is my storage device or hard drive or SSD. So right click on this. Now go to properties or select properties. I have clicked properties option, then click on volumes. Now in partition style you can see this is master boot record of MBR. Now using this method you can check your partition style, whether your partition style is in MBR or GPT format. If you like my videos, you can click on like button. You can also ask me in the comment section. Subscribe my channel for more videos.